Hi everybody and welcome to the second card in September's card class. I do hope you're enjoying the cards so far. So for this card design we've got another simple design and I'm introducing the lovely detailed banner that's part of those dies. You'll notice that the leaves are not showing and I really like that technique, and I'm using some more of those lovely images from one of the DSP sheets. So what I've done is I have gone ahead already before this video and I have cut out a selection of images from this sheet of DSP. Okay, cut as many out as you like or not as many, and just cut a selection of images there. It really doesn't matter too much. So we're going to start by putting our card base together. So I've got Mossy Meadow as my coloured card base. Give that a nice crease. I've chosen this really nice wishy-washy sort of layer of DSP. You've got the trees on the back, but I really do like that effect. Okay, pop that on. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to stamp our sentiment onto our banner. I've gone with the same sentiment that I've used on the first card, Christmas Wishes. And this comes from the coordinating stamp set in this suite. So stamp that onto the banner. That's nice. And then we're going to stick this banner onto our card with, with a dimensional, or with a couple actually. And we're not worrying too much about the detail under this die. Okay, now I'm going to bring in my selection of pieces, okay? And I need to layer these around, okay? So onto this area I'm going to stick down my biggest piece, like so. And then start layering things over the top. And I would recommend you use a combination of wet glue and glue dots for this. Oops. So once you've got your base layer on, you can then start putting things sort of in and around. You may find you need a few more. You may find you've cut out just enough. Just mix and match. You can see I've used different images on this card I'm showing you now compared to this image, this card as my example card. I'm going to finish up with that under there. Okay, and there we have our card front, and I really like all the detail that's gone in there. Oh, I've got one more piece here. I might just tuck under there. It'd be wasteful not to use it, wouldn't it? Okay, and then I'm going to attach my piece of white inside my card. Oops. If I can open it. Like so. And then again I'm going to finish off with a few little red gems just in and around. like so. And there we have it. That is my second card all finished for you. Do let me know what you think. Share your design with me, and I hope to see you all over on card number 3. Bye for now, everyone.